Welcome everyone. I am Hina Mistry from Yamuna Pasi Vidyalay. Today we start with the 10th standard. Second part of mathematics part 2 geometry. We'll start with the chapter number 1 similarities. The Maharashtra textbook first chapter is similarities. It's based on this chapter is based on triangle. So before I start the chapter, let's recall the things that we have learned in the previous class. We have learned in the previous class about the triangle, area of triangle. We know what is the area of triangle. Similarities, it's based on the triangles. ओके हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था ट्राइंगल्स दिए हैं. ट्राइंगल्स का एरिया हम कैसे फाइंड करते हैं. ट्राइंगल्स का एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए अगर ट्राइंगल ए बी सी दिया है, डी इट्स ए डी इज़ परपेंडिकुलर. इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी AD is perpendicular. AD is perpendicular on BC. That means this is the height. If we have to find the area of triangle ABC, if we have to find the area of triangle ABC, we use the formula half into base into height. So half into base. What is the base in this given question? BC. What is the height? AD. It's a height. So till 8th standard we find the area of triangle by using this formula. In short, we says the area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. This is the formula we are using. Now suppose if I have to find the ratio, I have a two triangle 1 and triangle 2. I have to find the ratio of the area of triangle 1, ratio of the area of triangle 2. What I do, very simple way, the ratio है, that means always we have to write 1/2 area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2. We'll write the formula. What is formula? Base into half into base into height. Here also half into base into height. This is a triangle 1, so here I write base 1 height 1. This is a triangle 2, here I write base 2 height 2. Here it's a ratio we have to find. See, 1/2 it's the same on both the side. So the area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 will always be in proportion of B1 into H1, B2 into H2. So this is the way we can find the ratio. We can find the ratio between the two triangles. Okay, this is the one of the thing that we have to use in our solution. So remember this very carefully, how to find the ratio between the two triangles. But here some condition is given. Okay, some condition is given. We have a three condition. Condition 1 says if the base 1 and base 2 both are equal, base 1 is equal to base 2, both the base are equal, what we have to do? So area of triangle 1 is equal to B1 into H1, area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 B2 into H2, B1 is equal to B2, both these are equal. Okay, so this will get cut. So when the area of triangle 1 and area of triangle 2, they are in the proportion of their respective height, their ratio will be in the proportion to their respective height when their base is common. Okay, this is the one condition. Second condition says that if in both the triangle height is common, height 1 H1 and H2 is common, what will happen? Area of triangle 1, the ratio will be in the form of area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 into H1, B2 into H2, but this says that H1 and H1 and H2 is same, so this will get cut. So H1 B1 is equal to B2. So area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2, that will be equal to B1 upon B2. So this is the second condition. Second condition, when their height is common, their ratio will be on the base of their respective base. Suppose in the question B1 is equal to B2 and H1 is equal to H2. This is our condition 3. Sometime it may be happen that B1 and B2 is same and H1 and H2 is same. So area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 will be B1 into H1, B2 into H2, B1 B2 same, H1 H2 same, so all gets cut, it's 1. So area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 will be a 1. Okay, so we have a 3 condition to find the ratio among the two triangles. Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3. So it's the same thing, it's given in the given here in this question. We can see the same things in the textbook also. It's given in the question. See here, we can see that the two triangle is given here. The height of both the triangle is same, the height is same, so that gets eliminated. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, HH it's the same, so gets eliminated to BC upon QR. So it's the first condition. When they have a common height, the area of two triangles are in proportion to their respective base. See here in this question, that base is same, height is different. So the ratio of two triangles are in proportion to their respective height, H1, H2. And when we have two parallel lines, so between the two parallel lines, if we have two parallel lines, so between the two parallel lines height is always the same. If a base this type of question is given, if we have two parallel lines and the height, when we have two parallel lines, so height between, so height will always be same, because between the two parallel lines, no matter how many times we draw the height, it will remain same. And if the base is also same, so the answer will be a 1. This is the third condition type of question. See, let's start with the 1.1. Easy. So 1.1, it's a very simple type of questions we have. We'll start with the easy type of questions, then we'll start, I will teach you the theorems wherever it's required. What is given in the first question? Practice set 1.1. In practice set 1.1, page number 5. Page number 5. What is the question is given? The base of the triangle is 9 and the height is 5. The base of another triangle is 10 and the height is 6. We have to find the area of these two triangle. Two triangle is given. So we have to draw the rough figure so we get an idea. Two triangle I have drawn. I have give the name A, B, C. PQR are the my two triangles. What this is, the base of the triangle 1, it's a 9 and its height is 5 centimeter. This is the height, यहाँ पे हम 5 लिख देंगे. This is the perpendicular. Whenever height we have to show the perpendicular. The base of another triangle, this is the base of another triangle, it's a 10 and the height is 6 and this height is given 6. Okay, we have to find the ratio of the area of these two triangles. So how we will write? We will write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is the area of triangle ABC? No need to write half into base into height, just we write B1 into H1 and here we'll write B2 into H2. Okay, here B1, what is the B1? B1 it's my BC, so here I write BC. And H1, what is the H1? It's a, here I give the name AD, so it's a AD. Here B2 it's a QR, it's a base, and here a PT, here I give the name PT, the height it's a PT. Now in the next step we substitute the value. What is BC is given 9, AD it's given 5, QR it's a 10, and PT it's a 6. We cannot reduce this number, so when we are not able to reduce the number, what we have to do, we have to simply multiply. 9 5s are 45, 10 6 are 60. If we multiply this, so it will be a 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So either we can multiply first and then reduce, otherwise first we can reduce them. 3 into 5, that will be a 15, and 10 into 2, it will be a, again reduce 5 and 10. If we reduce, it will be a 2, and 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So when we reduce to the lowest term, so that will be a 3/4 हो जाएगा, हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा 3/4. So the ratio, so how we can write the answer? Finally we write the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. They are in the ratio of 3:4. Ratio is there, so always we have to write in the form of H2. J. Second question we'll see. Practice set 1.1, question number 2, page number 6. It's given in your textbook. See here one figure it's given and a question it's given. Let's see what it's given. Here in the figure, BC is perpendicular. BC is given, it's perpendicular, so it's a height on the AB. AB is our base, and AD it's a height that's perpendicular on the AB. BC is given 4. BC measurement is given. BC measurement 4 centimeter it's given. AD measurement 8 it's given in the question. We have to find the ratio of a triangle ABC upon the ratio of triangle ADB. Where is ABC? This is our first triangle, and ADB, this is a second triangle. So we have to find the ratio of triangle 1 upon triangle 2. So first we write area of triangle. First we'll write the area. Solution 2. What is given in the question, that we have to write in the question. Given that in the question given that BC is perpendicular, in the we write a BC is perpendicular on the AB, and AD is perpendicular on the AB. It's given. They have also given the measurement. BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. We have to find area of triangle ABC upon the ratio of area of triangle ADB. This we have to find. So first we write the formula. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to, what is the ratio? Half into base into height. So B1 into H1, and here we write B2 into H2. See here, what is our base? In this question, this is our base. Height is always perpendicular. So in this question, AB is a base and the BC is a height. So here write the base is AB, height is BC. What is B2? Base will remain same, AB, and this is the height. So here we write in the second triangle, AB is a base and AD is a base and AD it's a height. Okay, we substitute the value. AB measurement is not given, BC measurement 4 it's given, AB measurement is not given, so we'll write as it is, and AD measurement 8 is given. AB gets cut. 4 and 8 if we reduce to a lowest term तो 1/2 हो जाएगा, तो 1/2. तो here we write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1:2. Else we can write like this form also, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ADB, they are in the ratio 1:2. When the area of triangle here having a common base, तो यहाँ पे हम लिख देंगे why we have cut AB, तो here we'll write the common base, so it gets eliminated. Let's see the third question in our textbook. In the adjoining figure 1.14, this is a 1.14, it's that PS is perpendicular on RQ. PS is perpendicular on the RQ, so height is mentioned here, and QT is perpendicular on the PR, it's given. They have given the measurement of RQ, it's a RQ measurement 6 is given, RQ is a 6. PS it's given 6, this is a PS 6 is given. PR it's given 12, PR measurement it's given 12. We have to find the QT हमको फाइंड करना है. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या दिया है, 2 ट्रायंगल दिया है. फर्स्ट दिस ट्रायंगल इट्स गिवन, 2 हाइट दिया है, 2 बेस दिया है. ये ट्रायंगल है, इसका ये हाइट है, ये ट्रायंगल है, ये उसकी बेस है, ये हाइट है. इससे पहले अगर मैं डायग्राम ड्रॉ करके तुमको बताऊँ, P पॉइंट यहाँ पे दिया है हमें. दिस पॉइंट इज R, here it's given Q, here is S, and here the point P it's given. PS measurement 6 is given and RQ it's given 6 है. देखो बेसिकली हम कैसे देखते हैं, जब बेसिकली ये जो ट्राइंगल है वो ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल है, ये वाला जो ट्राइंगल है हमारा ऑब्ट्यूस है, ये ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल है, और उसकी जो हाइट होती है ये होती है. तो ये हमारा ट्राइंगल क्या हो जाएगा, इन द ट्राइंगल हम अगर इसका एरिया फाइंड करते हैं इन दी ट्राइंगल, यहाँ पे हमें रेशियो नहीं फाइंड करना है, हमें यहाँ पे QT का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है, QT की हाइट फाइंड करनी है. तो यहाँ पे हमारा ट्राइंगल क्या है, PQR. इन द ट्राइंगल PQR इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. What is the base? My base is RQ. What is the height? Height is given PS. Let's substitute the value that given in the question. RQ is given 6. PS is given 6. रिड्यूस हो रहा है तो हम इसको रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. ये कट हो जाएगा तो 3 आ जाएगा, तो 3 इंटू 6 करेंगे तो 18 हो जाएगा, 18 सेंटीमीटर. तो फिर क्या हो जाएगा, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR इज इक्वल टू 18 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा, और एरिया है तो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. वापस हम यही देखते हैं, हमने क्या लिखा, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR लिया. ये हमारा ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल है, ये ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल है और उसकी हाइट हमेशा पीछे होती है. वापस मैं यही ट्रायंगल लेती हूँ PRQ, यही ट्रायंगल मैं बनाती हूँ. Here T is given, here Q is given, here R, and this point is P. This is a perpendicular. PR measurement 12 centimeter it's given. हमारा क्वेश्चन ट्राइंगल क्या है, PRQ. हमको ट्राइंगल फाइंड करना है। ट्राइंगल पी आर क्यू इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट। हाफ बेस क्या है हमारा, ये ट्राइंगल में मेरा बेस है पी आर, और हाइट क्या है हमारी, क्यू टी है। एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर क्या है, देखो हमने यहाँ पे फाइंड किया एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर 18 सेंटीमीटर। ये 1 अगर इक्वेशन दे देंगे तो हम यहाँ पे 18 लिख देंगे, यहाँ पे 18 लिखेंगे, हाफ लिखेंगे। पी आर कितना है हमारा, पी आर हमारा 12 इट्स गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, तो हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे। क्यू टी हमको फाइंड करना है तो क्यू टी लिखेंगे। 2 को 12 से रिड्यूस करेंगे तो 6 हो जाएगा। 18 इज इक्वल टू 6 इंटू क्यू टी। दिस इज़ अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन, हम इसको रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे। मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू क्यू टी हो जाएगा। 6 को 18 से कट करेंगे तो 3 हो जाएगा, तो क्यू टी इज इक्वल टू 3 सेंटीमीटर। हमको क्यू टी की हाइट फाइंड करनी थी, देयरफॉर द हाइट क्यू टी इज इक्वल टू 3 सेंटीमीटर। ये हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा। आंसर को हम बॉक्स में लिख देंगे एक बार। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। यहाँ पे ए बी दिया है और बी सी दिया है। व्हाट इज़ गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, ए बी है वो परपेंडिकुलर है बी सी पे, तो ये हमारी हाइट हो जाएगी। ए बी पैरेलल, ए डी पैरेलल है बी सी, ये दो पैरेलल लाइंस है। देन वी हैव टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी, ये ट्राइंगल है, एंड बी सी डी ये ट्राइंगल है। मैं दो ट्राइंगल को सेपरेट बनाती हूँ, दोनों ट्राइंगल को सेपरेट बना देंगे तो उससे तुमको थोड़ा आइडिया मिल जाएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.4 सॉल्यूशन 4th है, पेज नंबर है हमारा 6। यहाँ पे दिस इज़ ए डी, यहाँ पे हमारा बी सी दिया है, बी सी दिया है, और यहाँ पे हमने ए बी सी ट्राइंगल है हमारा, और उस पर ए बी परपेंडिकुलर है। ए बी परपेंडिकुलर है। दूसरा एक ट्राइंगल बताया है डी सी और डी, और यहाँ पे डी और बी को भी जोड़ा हुआ है। हमको फाइंड करना है एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी, द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी एस टू द रेशियो ऑफ ट्राइंगल बी सी डी। तो हम पहले क्या लिखेंगे, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल बी सी डी इज इक्वल टू B1 इंटू H1, B2 इंटू H2, B1 इंटू बेस 1 बेस 2, B1 इंटू हाइट 1, B2 इंटू H2। सी द ट्राइंगल ए बी सी, ये वाला ट्राइंगल दिया है ए बी सी, ये ट्राइंगल है हमारा। उसमें बेस क्या है हमारा बी सी, और हाइट क्या हो जाएगा ए पी। तो हम लिखेंगे बेस हो जाएगी हमारी बी सी, हाइट क्या हो जाएगी ए पी। हमारा दूसरा ट्राइंगल है बी सी डी, बी सी डी ट्राइंगल है बी सी डी, तो ये हमारी बेस क्या हो जाएगी बी सी हो जाएगा। हाइट क्या हो जाएगी, ये देखो ये ट्राइंगल है तो हाइट क्या हो जाएगी, ये सेम ही होती है, इसकी हाइट यही होगी क्योंकि दो पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में जो हाइट होती है सेम होती है, तो ये हो जाएगी ए पी। बी सी सेम है, ए पी सेम है। बी सी एंड ए डी सेम हो जाएगी। द ट्राइंगल हैविंग अ कॉमन बेस एंड हाइट, ये कंडीशन हो जाएगी, वहाँ पे हम लिख देंगे देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल बी सी डी is equal to 1. The ratio will be 1 because they have a common base and common height. Let's come to our next question. Question number 5th. In adjoining figure PQ, this PQ is perpendicular on the BC, so PQ it's a height, and AD is perpendicular on the BC. We have to find the following ratio. तो हम ये रेशियो फाइंड करना है, तो हम ये रेशियो फाइंड करेंगे। तो क्या लिखेंगे, 5th क्वेश्चन को कंसीडर करते हुए हम फाइंड करते हैं। क्वेश्चन क्या है हमारा, क्वेश्चन है एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी क्यू बी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी बी सी। व्हाट इज़ द रेशियो, B1 into H1, B2 into H2. See PQB, where is PQB? This is my PQB. So what is the base, BQ? So here I write base BQ. What is the height is PQ, so here I write PQ. Next triangle is PBC. Here it's my PBC. ये triangle है हमारा PBC, तो हमारा base क्या हो जाएगा, BC हो जाएगा, BC। और PBC है तो हाइट क्या हो जाएगी हमारी, PQ हो जाएगी। द ट्राइंगल हैविंग अ कॉमन हाइट है तो कट हो जाएगा। तो रेशियो आर इन द प्रपोर्शन ऑफ दैट करस्पॉन्डिंग बेस। देयरफॉर द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQB upon area of triangle PBC is equal to BQ upon BC. This is the first part. Okay, we have to find the second part. We have to find the 4 sub questions in this. What is given next one? हम लिखेंगे क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है। क्वेश्चन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PBC upon area of triangle ABC, that will be a B1 into H1, B2 into H2. Let's focus on the figure PBC. Where is our PBC? ये हमारा P है, ये B है, ये C है, तो बेस क्या हो जाता है PBC में, PBC में हमारा बेस हो जाता है BC और हाइट हो जाएगा PQ। तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे बेस इज़ BC एंड हाइट इज़ PQ। ABC ट्राइंगल ABC है तो बेस हमारा ABC में हमारा बेस हो जाएगा BC और हाइट हो जाएगा AD। तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे BC into AD। BC सेम, कॉमन बेस, ट्राइंगल हैविंग अ कॉमन बेस, so their ratio are in proportion according to their height. Therefore area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to PQ upon AD. This is the second solution. Now come to the third one. We have to find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. ABC, see this ABC is a triangle, तो हमारा पहले हम लिखते हैं फॉर्मूला B1 into H1, B2 into H2. What is a B1? ए बी सी सेम है, ए बी सी तो बेस हमारा बी सी हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज द हाइट? हाइट इज ए डी. ए डी सी, here it's my ADC triangle. This is ADC, so base will be DC and height will be AD. So base will be DC, height will be AD. Common height is there, so height get the triangle having a common height कट हो जाएगा. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए डी सी, that will be BC upon DC proportion. Here no value is given, so we have to just write the name of the side and we have to leave it. No need to do further because they did not mention about the measurement. Fourth part, what is given? Area of we have to find the area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. This is the fourth part. So that ratio will be in B1 into H1. This will remain same. See, full exercise 1.1 is based on this formula only. The ratio of two triangles are in proportion of B1 into B2 and B1 into H1, B2 into H2. ADC, see, triangle is given ADC, so base is DC and the height is AD. So here we write DC, it's a base, height is given AD, and PQC, this is a PQC, so base is QC and height is PQ. So base we write QC and height will be PQ. See, nothing, no base or height, nothing is common. BC, DC, AD, PQ. So that area will be remain same. Area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. They are in the ratio of DC into AD and QC into PQ. We cannot go further, so we stop here only. So this is the fourth solution. So here we have completed 1.1 for exercise. 5 questions are there. So same things you have to do the practice in your notebook, copyright the question and write the solution. For home assignment, I will send you the separate PDF. So you have to check your homework and you have to complete your homework and submit it. Okay, that's all. End of the day today. Thank you everyone.